welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very well. So today is another look. Yes, another look. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel, on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a video. A very big thanks to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you all for keep on turning in. May God bless you all. So today is another look. Yes, as you can see, is another look. If you want to see how I achieve this look, stay to the end. See you guys on my next video. Bye. As you can see, I'm done with my eyebrow, so let me shift this scarf back a little bit. So let me just go for the eyeshadow. So first of all, I need my concealer, so I'll be using my Elegant concealer. So just a simple look. I will not be using so much product, so this autumn look, we don't need too much product, so just blend it, blend very well how you want it. Just blend. So I will use my sponge, beauty sponge, to blend a little bit of it. So I'm using this Morphe palette here. So I will take the shade here. So I will take from these two colors here. I don't know if you can see it, these two. So that is what I will use to blend, So I'm done with Morphe palette. So I will use Revolution. Revolution. So I'm going to take this color here, No Dream. This No Dream. I don't know if you can see it, so I'm using for this glitter color. Take from this also, this color, I'm still using it. So that is it for the eyeshadow. I don't need so much product. So what I'll be doing now, I will be doing the waterliner and the lashes. So yeah. So now, first of all, I'm going for primer and then foundation. Take a foundation. So I'll just drop some little bits. Like I have full coverage, so I don't need it. I don't need that so much product on my face now. So I'll be blending it with my sponge. So I'll be blending it with my brush here. using this both concealer, Juvia Place and Elegant concealer. That is what I'll be using. Now I'm going for lashes. So here's my lashes. I'm using this my beautiful lashes here, the one I got from Golden Lady TV show. Yeah, she's also a YouTuber. If you don't have yours, get 1 or 2 3 or 4 or more, so support her. I'm using these 2 different color of lipstick. So this is my unbossing lipstick here. So this is the end of this look. If you watch this video from beginning to the end, you love this look and you love this video, please do not forget to give it a huge thumbs up. See you guys on my next video and stay safe, stay blessed. See you guys. Bye.